Grandma? Where is she?
Grandma, bye-bye.
Grandma's bye-bye. Oh, who else is bye-bye? Jacob?
Bye-bye.
Who else is bye-bye?
Siki.
Ezekiel?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Who else is your friend?
Jacob.
Jacob? Who else?
Bye-bye.
He's bye-bye. Who else? Who else do you see?
Eva.
Eva? Is she bye-bye? Who else? Who else? Yeah.
Jacob.
Jacob?
Bye-bye.
He's bye-bye. Who else?
Siki.
Ezekiel? You already said them.
Bye-bye.
Are there other ones?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Who else?
Hannah.
Hannah, yeah. Who else?
Katie.
Kaylee? Who else?
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Katie.
Katie? Who else?
Hannah.
Hannah, you said her already, silly.
Jacob.
Jacob. Leah, can you count? Hey. Psst. How old are you? Can you show me?
Show me. That's you.
Thank you. Leah, can you blow Grandma a kiss? Yeah. You say hi, Grandma?
Mimi.
Say hi, Grandma.
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 Can you say Grandpa?
Papa.
Papa. Yeah, good job.
Grandma.
Grandma, yeah.
What's the Baba?
She's bye-bye.
Yes.
Can you wave? Bye-bye. Bye.